Okay, good morning everyone. Today we are going to see the Google form, how to Google form make the quizzes and how to generate the certificate to the email. Okay, so how to generate automatically generately to the email. So in this video about the certificate generating for to the particular people. So first what you have to do means, so go to the Google option. So in the Google option, just type Google form. So Google form, I click the Google form and Google form create, Google form create, Google form create. So here option is there, DOCS, sheet is there, slide is there, forms is there. So I am keeping the forms. So go to Google form, go to Google forms. So in this go to Google form, blank presentation, you click the, because you are going to make a new quiz. So you have to click the start new form. So in this start new form, so these are all the options. We can create the questions. Okay, here the options is there, multiple choice, for example short answer. For example, I am giving name. So for that name, we can automatically change the short answer. So next, if you want to add the questions, so we can add it. So next, name of the institution, institute, name of the institution, short answer we can give. So whatever you are typing here, it automatically it will generate your certificate. Okay, it automatically it will generate your certificate. So in this certificate we can give the add-on quiz, we can give the add whatever the details you can add. For example, I am showing here, this is my, I am creating my subject, soil mechanics quiz, my college details and who are a coordinator and head principal. So my email address, name, institute name, designation, gender and quizzes. So in these quizzes I am typing the quizzes. So here we can give the answer key. Due to the answer key, we can, if you are selecting the key means, we can give the points to the particular question. For example, if it is 1 mark question, you can give 1 mark, otherwise 2 marks. If you are giving the paragraph, you can give 10 marks based on your choice. Okay, multiple, we can give the image also, we can give the image and give the 4 option, and we can give the video and we can give the 4 option. Okay, based on that we can give. Okay, after that you can give the done option. Okay, this required option why means, then only it will show the mandatory question. Look proposal, you can carefully see this option. Required option only, if you give the required option, then only it will show mandatory, otherwise it will not show mandatory. Okay, so like that you have to add the questions. These are all the responses we can see, summarize. So who are all giving the correct answer, who are all not giving the correct answer. So who is 14 marks, who is 16 marks, who is below average students. We, like that we can clarify in this one, and we can take the individual report of the particular person. Okay, we can take the individual report, we can see the individual report of the particular students. Okay, next thing, see here add-ons, how will, before blank presentation it will show these 3 images only. Okay, these 3 images only. In these 3 images, so this add-ons how it will come means, so you have to install the Certify EM, you have to install. So if you are install Certify EM means, it automatically it will show in this icon, it will show in this form icon. Okay, Certify EM. So for example, I am just typing Certify EM, Certify EM. So Certify EM. Okay, here option is the Certify EM. Click the Certify EM. So click the Certify EM. You can install it. You can install the Certify EM template. So you have to install the Certify EM. Okay, these are all the Certify EM template. So after, if you are installing the Certify EM, after you are installing the Certify EM, so because I am already installed in my Google Form, that's why it's showing like this. So if you are install the Certify EM, it automatically it will show in that Google Form. Okay, and that setting option, go to setting option, we can see the general presentation and quizzes. So in this general option, for example, I will show my quizzes. So in this setting option, go to setting option, collect the email address and response. You have to tick all those things, collect the email address, response, and if response is request sign in, limit one response. For example, some people what they will do, they will complete the quiz, again they will enter, again one more time they will enter, so it will not enter again. If you give the limit to one response, means only one time they will do the quizzes. Okay, next thing, see presentation. So see the presentation, you can final confirmation message, thank you for submission, if possible you will get shortly 50%, like that it will automatically it will generate. Okay, you can shuffle the questions, you can show the bar option. Okay, and one more thing, quizzes, make the quizzes means immediately after each submission they can able to see which question we are missed, which question is correct, which question is how much point they are getting. They can able to see in this setting option. They can able to, you can give the, if you give all tick marks, then only it will show the people which question is correct, which question is wrong, how much question I am attended. So like that they can able to see in this setting option. They can able to see after submission of quizzes. Okay, so next to see this is the customized theme. You can give the theme and preview also. Okay, this is the Certify, and send the link. So for example, this if you send means you can, if you give the email, you can give the email, you can invite email, otherwise just copy this link and share in WhatsApp or Facebook or Twitter, whatever it is, they can able to see your Google Form. Okay, and one more thing, go this option Certify EM. After installing Certify EM, so certificate is on. Okay, for example, if you want to trial, if you know whether it is I am creating certificate, whether it is automatically generate or not, we can check in this one. For example, link to exam, and click the link to exam. Carefully you see link to exam. So before that, so until the presentation is there, certified. Okay, enable the certified this quiz. First you have to make the quiz, then only it will show the Certify EM. So see here, so this is my Certify EM. I made the quizzes. Here link exam is there. So first you give the, for your trial, for your convenient. Okay, give the link exam. So I am giving the link exam. Okay, so these are all the, this will show to your, those who are attending this quiz. For the people it will show like this. Okay, so you can give the email address, jaya.annai at gmail.com. So name, so you can type your name, Jayaraj. Institution, TKR Engineering College. Okay, designation, if you are student, they are student means they will write student. Assistant professor, myself assistant professor. Okay, gender female or male. Okay, so just I am going to answering these questions. So I am answering this question. Okay, so 25, just I am answering for these questions. So after this one, answering these questions, so I give answers for all questions. So now I am giving the submit option. So it's submitted. they can able to score, they can able to see the score. So here what they mentioned, thank you for your submission, if you passed you will receive the printable certificate shortly. So we can able to see the view score. Okay, they can able to see the view score, which whether it is correct or not. See here. So these are all the correct answer I am doing. So one wrong answer I given. One wrong answer I given. So point, we can able to see the points, how much they are getting the points. Okay, how much they are getting the points. So which one is correct, which one is wrong, we can able to see that who are attending the quiz, that people, they can able to see the whether it is correct or not, they will check. Okay, so now they are submitting their answers, they are submitting the quiz, they will only one wrong answer. Out of 20 they are getting 18 marks. They get above 50% only. So they can able to, they will receive the certificate automatically. See here. So receiving the certificate. See here, receiving the certificate. They are receiving the certificate. Okay, they are receiving the certificate. So I am receiving the certificate. And one more option is there, whether they are get the certificate or not, that also we can able to see. See here, sent option. Those who are entering the quiz, those who are submitting the quiz, you can able to see in this sent option whether they will receive the certificate or not. So these many people, they are receiving the certificate. We can see in this sent option. For one copy, we can it is in sent option. Another copy, it will go to the particular person who are attending the quiz. For that particular person, it will go automatically. We can able to see who are all getting the certificate in this sent option. Okay, this is the automatic generation. So, and one more thing, so before that, so these are the certificate option I am giving. So we can able to see the certificate record. So those who are attending the quizzes, so you can, those who are attending the quizzes, you can able to see the certificate records. Okay, how much percentage, certificate number, whether passed or failed, we can able to, how much score they are getting, we can able to see in this certificate record. Okay, and we can give the pass percentage, we can give able to 0%, we can able to give 20 or 10, 15, 100, like that we can give the passing percentage. Template is how to fix. These are all the enabled template. Okay, these are all the enabled template. If you are creating the certificate, last video I am creating the certificate, the template I attach in this one. See the use template. Okay, use template. So set your own certificate. Okay, so set your own certificate, select new file. So in this drive option, we can choose the certificate, because in Google Slide we are creating the certificate. Last video I how to able to create the Google Slide certificate I clearly explained. So it automatically it will be in drive. You can select the certificate. Okay, you can just select the certificate. After that, you can give the save changes. So use the customized template. Set your own certificate. So after selecting your own certificate, you can give the save changes. Then only it will change. Okay. So it will go. We can see the whether certificate is correct or not. We can check in this email option. Email me sample copy. Okay. Email me sample copy. Before you are sending the link, you can give the email me sample copy. Okay. Here it will show the quota. How much quota we are getting the certificate per day, 100 certificate. So while making the quiz, we have to mention the per day 100 certificate. Remaining people try tomorrow after 11:30, because as per Indian time it will change 11:30. It will automatically generate 100 certificate. Okay. So this is a certificate creation and automatic generate of the certificate. So if you are like this video, please subscribe my